Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today's our topic is potential energy. So first of all, we define what is the potential energy. So the potential energy is the form of energy which is due to the position of the body. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is known as the potential energy. Clear? So this is called the potential energy. Now look into the explanation. Let a body of mass m be raised up to a height h from the ground. Here, this is the body of mass m be raised up to a specific height from the ground. Clear? So this body will acquire some potential energy to do work done. Clear? In lifting it to a specific height. Clear? So we know that work done is equal to the product of force and displacement. Here, object have specific mass and specific weight, both are the same at the ground level. So we can easily say that W is equal to mg. So here the force is replaced by W. Clear? The force is replaced by W and the displacement is replaced by h, height. Clear? Because here the object is displaced in vertical position. Clear? So here we deal with a specific height. Now we know that work done is equal to the product of force and displacement. So we replace force with W with weight of that object and displacement with a height, clear, which is from ground to the top of the object. So the potential energy will become the product of W, which is weight. The potential energy is equal to the weight of the object multiplied with the height of that object. Clear? So potential energy is equal to mgh. Equation number 2. Thus the potential energy possessed by the body with respect to the ground, which is mgh, is equal to the work done. This potential energy is actually the work done. Clear? Here we have an object at a ground level. When we displace this object in vertical, so we apply some force on that object. Clear? So the object will displace in vertically from position A to position B. So here the work will be done, and we know that the work done is completely converted into the potential energy. Clear? So we know that the energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but it can be converted into from one form to another form. For example, kinetic into the potential energy. Look at here. At ground level, there is no kinetic energy, no potential energy. Clear, dear student? When we take out this object from position A, so here the kinetic energy will become maximum, and the potential energy will become maximum, or you can say that vanish negligible. Clear? So when this object reaches at some specific height, there, so at height the potential energy will become maximum while the kinetic energy will become zero. Clear? So that is a best example of the potential energy. Look into this object. Clear? At ground level there is no potential energy or no kinetic energy. Clear? When we take up this object from point A to point B, so the kinetic energy will become converted into the potential energy. So here at point B, the energy stored in this object, which is potential energy. When we release this object, so the potential energy again converted into the kinetic energy. Look into this object carefully. Look into this object carefully, Shabas. So when I release this object from a specific height, so here the potential energy maximum, but the kinetic energy is zero. When I release this object from the point B or from any height, so the potential energy converted into the kinetic. Because we know that kinetic energy is that type of energy which is due to the motion. Clear? So when we see object in motion, so we can say that the body performs the kinetic energy. And when we see objects at the specific height, so we can say that there is some potential energy stored in that objects. Clear? We have different examples. We can see in our daily life, stretching a rubber band, water at the top of the waterfall, a book on a table before it falls. Clear, dear students? So this is all about the potential and energy. I hope you people easily understand this topic.